Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can apply a typewriter animation or effect to texts in your video clips on Adobe Express videos. So let us guide you through this. So start by heading over to a video clip in your video project on Adobe Express, select it on your timeline. And here guys, navigate to text, insert the text by clicking into this button. I've already done that. So you may customize the font here to the left, apply various formatting options. And if you'd like to animate it, you will need to switch to the animation tab here, and here scroll down and navigate to the typewriter visibility animation. You will see the preview here. So if you click into it and click into that button here again, you may customize these settings. Let me switch, we applied a longer duration, like 3 seconds. And now, as you can see, that's the edited length. Now you can also switch from a text segment like character to the entire word, or the entire line. And that's how it works, guys. So if I leave it at character, it would look like that classic typewriter effect. Here in the bottom, you may preview it or remove all effects and animations. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.